City 8. So, here we are.
I'm the one carrying the mic this one.
Because the cameras, if we unplug it, it'll go out of battery. So here is the 8th edition of Wood City. And once again, we have the mayor of the city, Larry Lego. And you can see his city behind him, towering above anything else. Yes, there's the helicopter he came in there. And he's got various other buildings. Various buildings. There's the cylinder Jenga tower that we have here. The biggest Jenga building of the city, followed by that one there. And just have some other random ones.
Yeah. What about the...
And I wonder if you recognise him.
Yeah.
If you watched Wood City 7, you would. So... Okay, hello, and we've now finished Wood City 8, well, the construction anyway.
That took us, well, what time did we start?
I think we started about...
Half 10.
Half 10.
Half 10, it's now in fact 8:15.
We didn't think we'd actually finish the city because it was just so wet.
Yeah,
there was just so many showers.
The condition was really, really difficult. And if you want to check out how difficult it really was, click the link at the end of the video to
another video that just sees us
just like
building and going through the devastation of the rain and stuff like that.
Buildings collapsing, raining, sunshine. All the Jenga fell down. So if you want to check that out, click the link at the end of the video. And
we've had
10 hours worth of building,
and we've just been living on this really.
3 bottles of that today.
We've still got some left. We'll probably have that after.
3 bottles of that we've had. I've been to the toilet about 20 times, not even joking. Why am I telling you this? Right then.
Do that.
So let's get to it then.
Alright.
Right, well, we are about to commence. Right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! one big heap, unlike the other wood cities. Look at that.
Well, I think that. Who did that? Wait, what? Where's the city gone?
That was us.
Yeah, I think that was probably the best
demolition.
ever Wood City demolition. Well, so far.
I think
that we've had.
What made it the best demolition was that we didn't spend 5 minutes trying to knock every single individual tower down.
It was quicker.
As-
More
yeah.
devastation in one go.
Yeah, it was because the main tower came down and just demolished the circular tower, the main circular tower.
Yes.
My phone didn't work, and that was the best view because it was looking
And-
up at the buildings, so that would have been really good.
Yeah, that would have been good. And the spy camera attached
On the
to
train.
the train didn't work. And we're hoping the spy camera inside the
Yeah.
building worked.
We waved goodbye to it, so we did
So,
say.
so I've got to find my phone in that rubble somewhere. It's
Yeah.
so deep.
But the thing about this demolition is, it's different because our other demolitions, the rubble spread everywhere, and this
This one's
demolition
all compact.
It's all just kind of as a row. We're like,
Yeah.
oh, that's alright.
Might do a Halloween special.
Halloween
For
special,
pumpkins.
pumpkins. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
In fact, if you like that, comment, and if you comment, and then we'll do it.
Like our video and comment as well if you want us to do. If you want us to do a Halloween special and throw pumpkins at the buildings.
Yeah, and
sweets, maybe.
any suggestions at all?
What could we do to improve?
Yeah.
Maybe do it on a different day where it doesn't rain.
Where it doesn't rain, because if you watch, as I said before,
Watch the making of
when it was
video.
up, the making of was the 8. And then there'll be a link to that. All day, literally, every half an hour there'd be rain, go inside, wait, then it'd be sun, it'd be dry, come out, build it for half an hour, and then it would rain again, and
Yeah.
it'd be windy, and it'd just fall over.
Yeah.
Shut up. Anyway, bottom line is, I think that was a brilliant demolition.
Yeah. It was
Amazing. Extreme damage.
extreme damage.
Disaster. If you don't know what that means unless you watch Wood City 2,
Wood City 2, yeah.
the one in the dark.
I don't recommend watching it because
It's not the best. Wood
No.
City 6. What's Wood City 4 and 6?
Wood City 6,
They're good.
Wood City 4, 6, and 8. Goes up in 2s.
It does, doesn't it?
The
So that
best.
means our next is going to be
Wood City
pretty rubbish.
5 was alright.
We're not famous, but you know.
We could get famous. We could get bigger than the slow-mo guys.
Slow-mo guys. And yeah, that's who I
Yeah.
wanted to suggest to everyone. As we do like slow motion for this type of thing, I would like to recommend watching a channel, the slow-mo guys.
One day, I just want to hire them to film this.
That
and
would be
Put
awesome.
that in slow motion.
If they,
So
yes,
slow-mo guys,
with
if
the
you're
Phantom
watching,
Flex.
if you're
Yes.
watching,
If you're watching this,
If you're
please
watching this.
come over.
please,
Do anything.
please,
Please.
come to our house.
Look, all this you could record this
You-
with your Phantom Flex and your...
Just think of the amount of destruction you could record.
Please, if someone knows them, or comment and tell them how much we like them.
Give them a shout. Just tell them that we want them for Wood City.
That would be amazing. Would see 10.
Yeah, I think
10.
that'd be the big Wood City. So,
A
yeah,
car boot sale.
there we go.
Yeah. Successful demolition.
And let's just give you a last glimpse at the rubble.
Oh yeah. Let's move chairs. Take a look at it.
Now we've got to clean it up.
Right. Give you a high speed of that. Sorry,
Yeah.
time
We'll go.
time lapse.
Ready, steady,
Go!